So this is our jacuzzi suite room at the Sankara Suites. Let's go check it out. Big beautiful glass doors. Large bed with mozzie net. Really large, as you can see. It's much bigger than a normal hotel room. Our own lounge, TV. These beds set up separate here, but this looks like another sort of relaxing area, and I think maybe they do the spa, in-room spa massage and stuff here, maybe. Through these double doors here, we've got our jacuzzi, so bubbles and everything, all over these pebbles and rocks. Sunlight for some light. Very nice. And through here is the bathroom. Double sinks. Got heaps of water. Great. And a tea and coffee section over there. Got this little case here full of the usual toiletry sort of bits and pieces. And here got the in-room safe and some robes. And then through here is the shower and toilet.